everyone, I'm Supriya. Today I'm going to talk to you all about how to handle depression. Being depressed can make you feel helpless. You're not along with therapy and sometimes medication. There's a lot you can do on your own to fight back by changing your behavior, your physical activity, lifestyle, and even your way of thinking are all natural depression treatments. Now I'm going to say you some tips that can help you feel better starting right now. Firstly, get in a routine. If you're depressed, you need a routine. Depression can strip away the structure from your life. Setting a gentle daily schedule will help you get back on track. Follow your schedules on time. Secondly, set goals. When you're depressed, you may feel like you can't accomplish anything. That makes you feel worse about yourself. To push back, set daily goals for yourself. Start very small by doing things that you can succeed at, like doing dishes every other day. As you start to feel better, you can add more challenging daily goals. The third tip is exercise. It temporarily boosts feel good chemicals called endorphins. It may also have a long term benefits for people with depression. Regular exercise seems to encourage the brain to rewire itself in positive ways. How much exercise do you need? You don't need to run marathons to get a benefit. Just walking a few times a week can help. The fourth tip is eat healthy. There is no magic diet that fixes depression. It's a good idea to watch what you eat. If depression tends to overeat, getting in control of your eating will help you feel better. Although nothing is definitive, the evidence with food with omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon and folic acids such as spinach and avocado will help you feel ease with depression. The fifth tip is get enough sleep. Depression can make it hard to get enough shut eye. Too little sleep can make depression worse. What can you do? You can do some changes in your lifestyle. Go to bed and get up at same time every day. Try not to nap. Take all the distractions out of your bedroom. No computer, no TV. In times you may find your sleep improves. The sixth tip is taken responsibilities. When you're depressed, you may want to pull back from your life and give up your responsibilities at home and at work. Staying involved and having daily responsibilities will help you maintain a lifestyle, and they counter depression and they give you a sense of accomplishment. If you're not up to your full-time or school work, that's fine. Think about part-time. If that seems too much, consider volunteer work. Finally, challenge negative thoughts. Do new things and try to have fun. When you're depressed, you can lose the knack for enjoying life. You have to relearn how to do it. In times, fun things really will feel fun again. Hope you all follow these simple treatment tips to handle depression and to overcome from it. Always stay safe and stay happy. Meet you all in my next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.